My name is Rohan Chandra. Welcome to today's video. One of the major parameters to see how well a business is performing is to check the return on investment or return on equity called ROE. When you are running a small business also, you will need to see how much investment you made on the business and how much profit is it giving you every year. For larger companies, return on equity indicates the rate of return that the owners of shares of a company receive on their shareholdings in the business. It signifies how good the company is in generating returns on the investment it received from its shareholders. The formula for return on equity is net income or net profit divided by shareholders' equity. This can be calculated but not required to be calculated because most of the websites already give this figure ready-made. We just need to interpret it and then decide what else we need to do research on. In the long term, profitable and growing companies provide good returns to shareholders. One of the parameters for deciding to invest in a company for long term is good ROE. We have compiled a list of large cap companies with market cap of above 50,000 crores with high ROE. Stocks with high ROE. Number 1, Nestle India. 5 years average ROE percentage, that means ROE percentage for last 5 years average 83% and 5 years stock CAGR 19% per annum. Britannia 44 and 10%. TCS 41 and 12%. Page Industries 47 and only 5%. Marico 37% and 9%. Coal India 52% and 4%. LTI Mindtree 32% and 25%. Company number 8, Tata Elxsi, 35% 5 years average ROE, 5 years stock CAGR 51%. Infosys 28 and 16. Asian Paints 26 and 19. Divis Labs 21 and 18. Berger Paints 22 and 18. Titan Company 25% and 31%. Havells India 19% and 14% per annum. This Saturday, that is tomorrow, 11th November, 7 pm to 9:15, we are having a webinar on Learn Stock Markets from Scratch. This webinar is charged at rupees 499, but for the first 75 participants, it will be only rupees 199. The topics of the webinar are how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term, top stock market myths, basic fundamental analysis, and basic technical analysis. In the end of this webinar, we will also be covering the details of our 3-month online stock market course. The particular webinar and course will be in Kannada. If you want details about this particular webinar and how to register, click on the description box below, and in that there is a website link which will give you all details of the webinar and also give you the link to register. Once you register, then you need to attend the webinar live at around 6:45 pm on Saturday 11th November, 7 pm it will start. It is generally observed that the returns on the stock will be similar to the ROE earned in the company's business in the long term. If the ROE is high and the stock returns are quite low, there is a good chance that the difference will be reduced in the coming near future. That means, let us say ROE of a company is 25%, but the returns of last 5 years has been only 10%. Then very good chance that the returns on an average may become 18 or 15 or even 20% over the next few years, because usually ROE and stock returns go hand in hand. Generally, low ROE businesses do not provide good returns in the long term to shareholders. So this is definitely not to be considered. If it's having a low ROE, then it's not a very preferred choice. Please note that ROE is not the only parameter to judge whether a company is good or not. There are about 17 to 20 different parameters. This is one of them. We need to do the complete fundamental analysis before investing in any stock and before deciding whether to hold a stock or sell it. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, have you checked the ROE before investing in stocks? Yes, then type yes in the comment section. Otherwise, type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.